Are you overwhelmed by repetitive tasks like scheduling, data entry, and content planning? What if I told you that 3 free AI tools could automate 80% of your workflow, even if you don't know how to code? Whether you're a student, freelancer, business owner, or content creator, these tools will save you hours every week. Let's dive into the top 3 free AI automation tools for 2025. Tool number 1 is Bardeen AI. Bardeen is a browser automation assistant that lives inside your Chrome extension bar. It can automate repetitive tasks like copying LinkedIn leads into Google Sheets, downloading email attachments, scheduling meetings, and scraping data from websites. You can run pre-built automations called playbooks or create your own using simple language, no coding required. It integrates with popular apps like Notion, Trello, Airtable, and Gmail. It's like hiring a virtual assistant that works 24/7, for free. Tool number 2 is Taskade AI. This is a next-gen productivity tool that combines project management, writing assistance, and automation in one. Use Taskade AI to auto-generate content calendars, project outlines, to-do lists, or marketing campaigns, instantly. It supports real-time team collaboration and works perfectly for organizing YouTube content, client projects, and personal tasks. Think of it as Notion plus Trello plus ChatGPT all in one, free to start, mobile-friendly, and AI-enhanced. Tool number 3 is Zapier combined with ChatGPT. Zapier already connects more than 5,000 apps, like Google Drive, Instagram, Slack, Gmail, and more. But when you connect it with ChatGPT, you unlock intelligent automation. You can automatically summarize emails, generate content replies, create reports, or even send ChatGPT written tweets. And you don't need to touch a single line of code, it's all point and click. Perfect for creators, marketers, and small business owners who want to automate boring tasks and free up time. Here's a sample use case combining all 3 tools. Use Taskade AI to plan your weekly tasks. Let Bardeen handle web scraping, email downloads, or content uploads. Then, let Zapier plus ChatGPT take over email summaries, social captions, and auto-posting. The result? An automated content pipeline that works for you, even when you sleep. These 3 tools are not only free, they're incredibly powerful. Start using them today, and watch your productivity skyrocket. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to ToolWiz AI for more time-saving tools, Faceless YouTube strategies, and AI tutorials. Comment automate below if you want the full Notion workflow planner and bonus tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.